Cotswolds House is a new 5-bedroom countryside home designed by Oliver Leech Architects for clients Alan Moog and Andrew White on a gently sloping 1.1-acre site overlooking a rural English village. Replacing an old bungalow that was once used as a weekend retreat, the house became the client's permanent home after they moved from London to the Cotswolds to enjoy village life and a closer connection to the local community. The design centres on creating a low-energy home that supports both social living and private retreat, while maintaining a strong relationship with the surrounding landscape. The house is arranged as 2 intersecting pitched volumes in an L-shaped plan, clad in local Cotswold stone and larch, with zinc and slate roofing. Positioned carefully within the triangular site, the layout captures key views, protects privacy, and blends into the hillside, with part of the guest wing tucked into the slope. Inside, the ground floor contains spacious social areas, including a large living room, a cosy library connected by a double-sided fireplace, and a kitchen that opens onto an outdoor dining patio and kitchen garden. Private spaces are separated thoughtfully, with the main bedroom suite occupying the upper floor and guest bedrooms located in a lower semi-basement wing. Materials play a key role in balancing traditional and contemporary character, combining natural stone, timber, clay plaster, limestone and marble to create warmth and texture. Sustainability is also central to the project, with a prefabricated timber structure, high insulation, airtight construction, solar panels, and an air source heat pump, helping to reduce energy use while enabling a fast and efficient build.